Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a full wig from scratch. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step and on how to make your own wig. So I'm going to be making use of this crochet hair right here. So I started by making the hair weft from the loose hair. So I have a separate video showing you guys in full details on how to make your own hair weft from scratch. So if you haven't seen that video, check the description box. The link is in the description box. So like I said, I'm going to be starting by making the hair weft for the wig. So here is the weft. I made 2 bundles for the wig. Here you go. All right, so now that I have my hair bundles, I'm going to be working on making the wig. So also I made the wig cap off camera using the black app and the Swiss lace for wig making. Okay, so right now I went ahead and turned the cap inside out, which is the wrong side out. So I'm going to be sewing the first track around the perimeter of the black cap on the wrong side of the cap. So as you can see right here, I'm starting by pinning the hair in place before going in to sew it down. Again, I'm going ahead to sew the first track around the perimeter of the wig cap on the wrong side of the cap. So if you're going to use this technique, you need to make sure to use the right size of the mannequin head and also the right wig cap, because doing this technique will prevent the wig cap from stretching. So I went ahead and sewed the track around the perimeter of the cap. And again, doing this method or using this method will prevent the cap from stretching. So you want to make sure you are sewing the wig on the right mannequin head or the right size of the mannequin head. So after sewing down the first track, I went ahead and cut off the excess. So here is the wig cap with the first track in place. So this is the right side of the cap. So right now I'm going ahead to pin the cap to the mannequin head. So right now I'm going ahead to sew the hair weft on the right side of the cap, and also I'm going to be using the fold over method for this wig. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the fold over method in a second. Okay, so once you get to the end of the track, you need to take your weft and you need to take the weft and fold it over or flip it over, just like I'm doing in this video. Just fold it over so that we can sew on the sew it to the black cap. So once you fold it over, you need to take a pin and pin that point in place first. Okay, you need to secure the folded point in place first. So once that is done, you can go ahead and pin down the rest of the hair weft following the track. Okay, so the next step now is to secure the folded point in place. To help it lay flat, you need to place your thumb at that particular point. So while pulling on the thread to tighten the knot, you need to press on the folded point. At the same time, pull on the thread. So that will help to lay it flat onto the black cap. Okay. Okay, so I'm done sewing down the track. So the next step now is to work on the lace part of the wig. So I'm going to be using this loose hair right here, using the same crochet hair. So I'm going to start by taking a little bit of the hair. Okay. So next, I'm going to go ahead and fold it over. You want to make sure to have a short end and a long end, just like this one in this video. So fold it over. The next step is to create a loop, just like this. So once you create that, you want to pinch that in place, just like I'm doing in this video. So next, take your ventilating needle and start ventilating the hair. So to start, I'm going ahead to ventilate 2 strands of hair. So I'm using 2 strands of hair for the lace closure. And also I'm going to be spacing the hair out by skipping every other hole on the lace. Okay, again, I'm ventilating the lace closure using 2 strands of hair, and also I'm spacing it out by skipping every other hole on the lace. Also, I have a very detailed and close-up video showing you guys how to properly use the ventilated needle. If you are a beginner or you're just looking to improve on how to make the lace closure using the ventilated needle, I'll put the link to that video in the description box so you can go ahead and watch that video over and over again to learn how to properly use the ventilating needle to make your own lace closure or lace frontal. It's a very detailed video, and close up you can see the lace and how I'm doing it on that video. So be sure to check out the video. So in order to get the natural looking hairline on the front of the lace, you need to switch from 2 strands of hair to 1 strand of hair. And also you need to space out the hair. So you can space it out by doing the same thing by skipping every other hole on the lace, or if you want it a lot thinner, you can skip 2 holes instead of one. So that depends on you on and how you want the front of your lace to look. So again, you can either skip 1 hole or 2, depending on how full or how thin you want the front of your lace closure or your lace frontal to look. So for me, I only skip 1 hole, which means I skip every other hole on the lace. And also you want to make sure to ventilate the front of the lace following your hairline. So if you want it to look natural, you want that natural looking hairline, you need to do it following your own hairline. So yeah. So I went ahead and also add kinky hair to the front of the lace closure. So this is it right here. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a quick install. I've already went ahead and cut all the excess lace from the front. So now I'm going to be popping on this wig. It is super easy to install, one because I use the right wig cap and the right mannequin head to make this wig, and also using the technique for by sewing the first track on the on the wrong side of the cap, the wig won't slide off. It is sitting perfectly. It is sitting perfectly on my head. Look at this. No gel, no glue, no elastic band. This wig is sitting perfectly without shifting. Okay, look at that right there. Perfect. I love this wig. The fact that it looks like my blowout natural hair. So now I can rock my natural looking blowout hair without touching my hair with any heat. Okay, this right here is the goal. I love it. All right, guys. Okay, we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.